Hello, welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network with me, Dior Shaari. Hi. Okay, I just bought this. Actually, I haven't eat canned food for quite so long. For a few years, I practice not to have canned food. But suddenly, this particular canned food pops out in front of me, and then I really want to try it. So I see in the YouTube not so many of the exposure of this, but so I'm gonna do the kind of like unboxing or introduction. I think this product is already like almost like 1 year in the market, but not really so popular. And but I'm gonna try later on, but first we do the unboxing first. Okay, so before we do the unboxing, I'll look into the product itself. Let's look into some of the details and the pictures from the Adabi website itself. Okay, this is the picture, and then okay, details. So there's two size. One is 4 to 5 gram, which is this one, the big one, and another one is a small one. So 155 gram. That's about 4 ringgit 50 cents, and 4 to 5 gram is about 8 ringgit 80 cents for the market price. Shelf life is 3 years, and then view recipe video. It's very simple actually to cook later on. So this one, product advantage. So you see there, and the cooking method. It's actually very simple, like 1 to 3 for the preparation. You just put on the microwave for a few minutes, and you can eat it already. Okay, just make it hot. Okay, let's look into the details from front. Okay, wait. Okay, here. Okay, see. All right, now we go to the right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Should I put it here? Can you see? Okay. Then on the side. New look, it says. No preservative. Sardine curry. Sardine curry. Okay. How to cook? You see, very simple. Like 1, 2, 3. Put on the fridge. Put on the microwave or the wok, and then stir fry. Make it hot, and it's ready to eat. Then there's this one QR code. If you want to scan, then you can. It will lead you to the Adabi.com. It's for those new product from Adabi. Adabi, I'm so surprised that Adabi have a lot of new product that is so interesting. Like for me, if not for me, I mean for others, for those who maybe don't have so much of time to cook, and also like if you travel a lot. So Adabi gives a lot of opportunity, a lot of choices for you to have the canned food. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. This is just the unboxing, kind of like a introduction. Later on, I'm gonna do the cooking with this. So stay tuned with me. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.